Number one, that we are very, very happy that this CPA conference is being organized here. This is a very positive step towards ensuring that the different issues at the legislative level also are discussed, and a great opportunity for different assemblies, MLAs, speakers and the assembly secretariats to discuss many issues regarding overall legislation issues, plus issues that are important to the region as a whole. So in this particular conference, discussions on climate change and natural and disaster management and all these aspects will be discussed, plus the need for more connectivity, regional connectivity in the region will be discussed. So I think these are very important aspects, and I'm happy that such conferences are happening in a more regular interval in the Northeast. And more importantly, as I said, the Honorable Speaker himself is taking, the Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha is taking initiative to come to the Northeast regularly, and I think this really is a strong message towards ensuring that all the regions of the country are important and all the states are important, and I think this is a very, very positive message towards overall nation building. That's the first part. The second part, which was mentioned by the second question regarding tomorrow being Sunday, yes, we are aware, but as you are aware that the assembly, the Lok Sabha is in session, the parliament is in session, so the only time that our Honorable Speaker could come was during the weekend, and hence we had limited options. Obviously we are concerned about these issues, and that is why, though the programs were more in detail, we have asked the CPA to ensure that the program should start only after the services are over. So therefore, respecting the religious sentiments of everybody, even in the program, if you look at it, it is mentioned out there that you can attend church service, and once the service is over, only after that, towards the afternoon, the program will continue. But as I mentioned, the reason why we could not avoid it is because Parliament session is going on, and the only days that Honorable Speaker and the other Secretariat officials and other speakers are free and other officials are free was the weekend, which is Saturday and Sunday, and hence because of that the CPA also had requested that how we could make adjustments, and accordingly we have, keeping the sentiments in mind, we have delayed all the programs till the service times are over, so that people can attend service, and then this program can also happen, and it can come to a proper conclusion.